All right, this is Miss Laredo again. I'm going to show you how I upload my morning videos quick and easy every morning. I go here, hover over the line till you see a green dotted line with a little plus sign. I'm going to add a page from this instead of going to add materials, because if you go to add materials, it adds it at the bottom of your stream, and I don't want it at the bottom of my stream. I want it at the top. So that's why I am adding it using this little green line right here. I go to add page. I'm going to give it a quick title, Thankful Thursday morning message. And I'm going to give a quick announcement for students here. Make sure you watch the video today. There is some important information regarding this week's lessons. Now this text, the default text that Schoology uses is small and boring. Students will not read it because it looks the same as everything else on the page. So I want to bring their attention to it. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to make the text bigger. I'm going to highlight it in a fun color and change the text color as well. Now it's a little bit prettier. Students are going to be more likely to read that. And go here to insert content, image media, from the web, media, and I'm going to put my embed code here. So to grab my embed code, I am going to go to the video on YouTube that I've uploaded. I'm going to click share, embed. I'm going to copy the embed code, go back to Schoology, paste it in, insert media. Now it shows up as a blank yellow box here, but that's totally fine. That's the way it should look. Now this little button right here, this is my favorite button in Schoology. All right, right now if you hover over it, it says display on new page. So let's see what that looks like. So if this little link right here pops up for students every morning, they're probably not even going to notice it because it looks like everything else on the page. It doesn't bring their attention to it. It's really hard for them to know, okay, I need to click on this. So to make sure that they see the video, I click on this button until it says display inline. And now it displays like this. So it's really hard for a student to pass this up. It's the first thing that they see when they log into their Schoology homepage. All they have to do is click play. And since it's embedded, it will play in Schoology instead of opening up YouTube. So now I have 17 sections in Schoology, as I'm sure most of y'all have a similar number. So what I like to do is I save this to my resources. And then this is how I add it to my classes. So this is my old video from Tuesday, so I'm going to move it real quick. I'm going to move it to archived morning videos, which is a folder here. So if a student wants to go back and look at a previous video that I recorded, they can do that. It's all right here for them. I don't delete them. And then I go here, add, import from resources. I find my message, import, import. And then I'll go through and I'll do that for each class. Now you can just hit the settings button and click copy to courses. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it to course to show you what it does. So if I copy it to a course, copy. Now let's go see where it wound up over there. Okay, so this is the message from a couple days ago. I'm going to go ahead and move it. But the other video is down here at the bottom, which if that's where you want it, if you think your students will see it there, that's fine. It does save you a lot of clicks doing it this way, but I really want to make sure my students see it. I want it to be the first thing they see. So that's why I don't add it this way, because now I have to move it, which you can just drag and drop it, and that works. Or you can import from your resources. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. It works either way.